The Vitamix 64oz pitcher replacement is designed to be compatible with a wide range of Vitamix blender models, ensuring you can continue to enjoy your favorite blends. Made from BPA-free materials, this pitcher is safe and durable, capable of withstanding temperatures from -50 degrees to 150 degrees Celsius. The upgraded design features an openable lid for easy tampering, a clear and ergonomic handle, and a spout for effortless pouring, making it a user-friendly addition to your kitchen. This pitcher boasts a robust stainless steel blade system that can easily pulverize any food, allowing you to make smoothies, sauces, soups, and more with minimal effort. Cleaning the Vitamix 64oz pitcher is a breeze. Simply add warm water and a few drops of detergent and blend for 30 seconds. With its low-profile design, this pitcher is easier to store in your kitchen cupboards and is perfect for blending large batches of food, making it an ideal choice for families and avid home cooks.